Today we're unboxing the Apple Watch Series 11. This is a GPS cellular edition, and this one is in the rose gold with the blush band, and it is a small medium band. Let's go ahead and unbox this one right here by just pulling those tabs right there. And we'll pull that out, and then that will be the watch, and that will be the band. And we'll go ahead and grab that piece right there, and then we'll grab this piece right there, and we should have that kind of wow Apple Watch factor. There we go. Wow. Okay. And we've got in here your USB-C charging cable right here. We'll pull that piece right out, and there it is. So it's the Apple Watch charger piece and USB-C ends right there, so you can plug it into any USB-C. Obviously no AC adapter or anything like that included, but I'm sure you have lots of those. That's the watch itself. It comes wrapped in this really nice material here. And let's go ahead and unravel this. And how do we unhook this one right here? Let's just rip it away. There we go. And the watches seem to have just been starting up right there, but we'll not fully connect it yet. But that is what the look of it is on the back right there. So you can see it's a very nice rose gold, and there it is from the side as well. And that very nice display on this one. And then there's your rose gold siding on there. And obviously you can connect your Apple Watch whichever way you want to with the bands. But let's grab the bands itself. We'll grab that right there. And there is our blush band, which we will open right up and connect to the watch itself. And there is our blush band, and I will just pull this right out right here. Don't care about the box, we're just ripping the box away. There we go. And that's the band itself. It's they call it blush. It's almost just an off-white color. It's literally very, very bright and white. And let's just see how well this meshes with our Apple Watch right here. Should go that way, and we should be able to, here, we'll just connect it like that. There we go. And then this part right here will go, I'm pressing buttons and stuff. It's powered on, but we'll just leave it as is. Okay, there we go. We've got it all connected right there. And that's just how it looks with the blush band and the rose gold Apple Watch. So you get a nice idea of how it looks. A very nice Apple Watch indeed. There you go.